Bisaya, when we are looking for things or asking for directions, the word that we usually use is asa. So basically, asa is the Bisaya equivalent of where in English. So as I've said, we can use it for asking questions when we're looking for our things. For examples, asa akong mga gamit? Where are my things? Asa akong bag? Where is my bag? Asa ang mga bata? Where are the kids? Asa ka? Where are you? Also use the word asa for asking for directions. For examples, asa ang pinakaduol na bus station? Where is the nearest bus station? Asa ang pinakaduol na bangko? Where is the nearest bank? Asa ang pinakaduol na palengke? Where is the nearest supermarket? If you are in an establishment, for example, like a mall, and you wanted to use the restroom, and so you can use the word asa. Asa diri ang banyo. Where in here is the restroom or the bathroom. Asa diri ang palitan og sanina. Where in here can you buy clothes? Asa diri ang pinakaduol na baggage counter. Where in here is the nearest baggage counter. Another Bisaya word associated with directions is the word katuod. Katuod. For examples, katuod ka sa ilang balay? Do you know where his or her home is? Katuod ka ani? Do you know where this is? So the word katuod is different from the word tinuod because tinuod means truth. For examples, tinuod na, is that true? So katuod is basically asking, do you know where this is? Whereas tinuod is asking about the truth. That's it for today. If you have questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section. Hangtod sa sunod, this is Teacher Joanne. Salamat!